My name is Kelly Perotti. I am with Top U Speakers, and we are doing a kindness takeover. I think I am at one of the kindest schools in America.
I'm on a mission to see if they can be claimed the kindest school in the United States. Yeah. Kindness takes a ton of bravery. There's some people out there that think kids like you can't change the world. Is that true? No. You see, the secret in order to change the world, it's not doing all these big, huge acts of kindness. It's about doing all the simple, small things every single day.
When you give someone a sincere act of kindness, you will feel awesome about yourself.
Kindness is meant to be shared. And you all have kindness inside of you. I know you do. It's all in your heart. Kindness has shaped my whole life. Being the new kid, it was tough, except for one time. At this particular school, it was different. I got up, I went to this new school, kids were smiling at me, then some kids were waving. You can do the same thing.
So we got every single school together to commit to a week of a kindness challenge, and that looked like kids performing acts of kindness at school or at home.
Over 50 schools, near 30,000 students, having them all concentrate and think about being kind to one another, supporting one another. Just the impact of that is huge, because then obviously they trickle out into the community.
I saw people helping out a lot, holding the door open for teachers. I saw that even after the Kindness Week challenge.
I want you to realize kindness has absolute real power. And if you did something that awesome, it's bigger than this school, you guys. It's bigger than this community. It is bigger. You could actually do something that would inspire other people to be awesome.
I really want you to understand that you can make a difference.
If you guys want to be someone to make a massive difference in the world, then there's some important steps that you guys have to follow. The first step to change the world, everyone say this. Everyone say start small. Step number 2, everyone say be brave. Step number 3 is the fun one. Everyone say be kind. You guys have one mission every single day. Every single day, when you wake up and you look in the mirror, I want you guys to say this. I want you guys to say, today, I'm gonna make the world better than I did yesterday. The only thing that matters is by the time you lay your head to rest tonight, you can say that I made a difference. I made the world better than I did the day before. If you just do one simple act of kindness, trust me, our world will be a better place. Everybody say, we can change the world.